Like I promised, I'm about to give you a free credit tip, so listen up. A lot of people don't like getting credit cards and running up a whole lot of credit card debt or getting in debt, period. So there's ways that you can build your credit without actually getting a credit card or going in debt. One way you can build your credit without getting a credit card or going in debt is by going to your bank, your financial institution, and ask them information on a secured loan. A secured loan is a loan that is basically secured by a collateral, such as money. So you can basically give your bank $500. They give you a loan for $500. As you repay the loan every month, they also report to the credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion every month. So it basically reports just like if you borrowed money, but actually it's your own money. Smart, ain't it? Stay tuned. Got more credit tips for you coming right away.